Well, I can see everything is going great right now. So we just had to be specifically told that our train would be arriving on schedule. I'm guessing that the no data is being caused by the fact that members of the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers who run the Toronto Terminals Railway are currently on strike, so the signaling is being taken over by management who are not professional train signalers. And as such, I am not going to be taking the train to Union Station today as normal. I am going to be getting off at Exhibition to avoid crossing a picket line. So now we're heading up through Liberty Village. It's a former industrial or working class area that's experiencing some gentrification. On the north end of there, you got King Street, where I will be catching the 504 streetcar. On the south end, of course, you have the GO line and the 509 streetcar. I checked on Google beforehand, and taking the 504 and the 509 over to the subway is about are equivalent to each other. So that's the one I'll be taking. So here is the railway bridge that takes the Kitchener and Milton lines over. It takes the Kitchener and Milton lines over the King Street. There's actually plans to open a new station here called King Liberty. I think it would only be served by the Kitchener line rather than the Milton line. And I would have taken this video from the streetcar, but there's construction going on on the sidewalk at Atlantic Avenue, so I have to get on one stop further. So I've just boarded the streetcar now at Sudbury Street, which is the next stop down the line from Atlantic Avenue, and I will be taking it down to Yonge to get the subway. We're crossing the Bathurst Street, which is the start of the King Street Transit Mall, where there's restrictions on through traffic along King Street. Now it's to make the streetcar faster, and I've noticed it seems to work. Now I'm about to head into the underground. I'm about to head into the subway system, taking line 1, and I'm going to go northbound. Thing is, I can't see the screen right now, so I have no clue how this shot's going to look. Northbound trains. The Ontario line would have made this so much quicker. Yes, let's typically like to be about on the 2, out of the second car from the back.
Attention customers. Line 1 Yonge University has no service between St. Clair and Lawrence stations with mechanical problem. Shuttle buses operating.
Nice. Just my luck.